luck. I hope. Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. I hope you can see me. It's pretty dark out here. I don't know why, but fair enough.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Okay, we'll just give ourselves a couple of minutes. Thank you so much, everyone else, for being here, and we can get started in a few minutes' time. Should that be okay? Today, our conversation, and I've requested the Hub Hybrid entire team to be here, is because it's been a long year. All of you who've been taking online classes, it's been a very, very long year. I don't know about you, but I'm seriously waiting for the vacations to start. I think it's the same thing for kids also, and the worst thing before a vacation is an examination. It's like तुमको छुट्टी मिलेगी, but उसके पहले तुमको बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी होगी. So, right, we are looking at that kind of thing. So why not challenge ourselves with examination? Why not make our examination a little smarter, a little better? Uh, one of the worst things for a child in examination is we tell everybody that exams hai, okay, let's make them, grill them, let's make them cry before they earn their freedom. I hope हमारा attitude ऐसा नहीं हो. I think we are not like those people. We already have been online learning where internet's not working, Zoom's not working. Somebody logs out of it. We have got zero coming into our sessions. I don't know how many of you seen zero, but these are children who came into our sessions and unwanted visitors. Isko Zoom bombing. So this is the idea. How do we work on examination? It's a very nice thing I learned in my school, where it's a biblical phrase which is in Latin, which is said that Jesus Christ said, "Ila ilai lama sabachthani." God don't put me to test. And I think हमारे बच्चे ये cry नहीं करे कि we don't want to be tested. So why don't you all become good? I learned something while helping Shazia in a psychology, something called the halo effect, right? So I and Shazia were discussing the halo effect. हेलो इफेक्ट का मतलब होता है कि अगर आप थोड़े लोगों को देखते हो तो ऐसा लगता है उनके ऊपर एक रिंग है, right? Just for example, if I look at some of you, right, I can see there is a ring on Aparna ma'am. People love her. Children love her because being an arts teacher, she's very friendly, she's nice, she never shouts. I've not seen her, raise her voice. I don't know how does she become Shabana ma'am's friend, but so then suddenly hello effect is when somebody looks at you, they know that you are very friendly. And I think Shazia, you can add more on halo effect. It is said that जब आपके ऊपर halo effect आता है, so judges are lenient if you're a criminal also, right? I'm not telling you Aparna ma'am, but I'm just generally saying, your friends are like that. Or else teachers are lenient, they give more marks of halo effect. So what's the opposite of halo effect? Who can tell me? Anybody? The opposite of halo effect? आपके ऊपर वो ring होती है. Remember you seen that?
Horn effect actually.
Right, there you are. So if you look at Faisal sir, right now आपको दो horns दिखेंगे उनको ऊपर, right? वो बच्चा ऐसा है, देख के लगता है कि इसको फेल करने का है. Yeah, exactly. ऐसा लगता है कि ये बच्चे को पास करना ही नहीं. ये बच्चा है ही, he is lazy, he is naughty, he is mischievous. So we have to change that perception. The moment exam comes in, सारे बच्चों के ऊपर हॉर्न्स आ जाते हैं, टीचर्स के ऊपर हॉर्न्स आ जाते हैं, children start thinking of it. So sorry for a small rant here, but I wanted to explain it's a very important psychology lesson. Go and Google it if you think that Daud sir कुछ भी बोलते हैं, कोई भी नया term लेके आते हैं. No, it's not from Lucifer on Netflix. It is an actual psychological testing called the halo effect and the horn effect. So I am asking you a question: what do you want to have for your children? Halo effect or horn effect? When you put an examination, do you want your children to look at you as an angel or as a devil? So what we'll discuss here is, I think our examination should be very friendly, should be very challenging, something that we have never been allowed to do in a school. I'm not sure how many of you have been allowed to do an open book examination in a school. We always heard about it. We hear IITs and IIMs do it. In IIT में नहीं करते हैं, IIM में definitely करते हैं. All right, Faisal had an open book examination, right? So what I'm asking you is, I'm not saying it's compulsory, but if you want to have an examination, and our success as an online school will depend on how the students score. Very honestly, it may look very bad. Sir, what do you mean if they don't score well, they are the ones who have not done well? Today, all of you, my friends, my teachers, my colleagues in Golden Sparrow, you will be judged based on the scores your students have. right? Okay, this was good. So Faisal got 4 out of 50, and look what we kind of people are running education institutions now. So that's how it is. You become the principal of a school when you don't score well. So what I am challenging and suggesting to all of you is create your final examination paper with a halo effect. A student look at the paper and they say, wow, what is this? I'll tell you stories. आज सिर्फ मेरे गुरु हैं, मेरे mentor हैं, Professor Sunil Handa. Professor Sunil Handa, IIM Ahmedabad के teacher हैं. He's a management teacher there. And if you can, trust me, ये मेरी suggestion है. He opens up IIM, उनकी एक school है अहमदाबाद में called Eklavya School. I think none of you are from Gujarat, right? I've got teachers from Pune, from UP, from Delhi, but none of them Gujarat. It is in Ahmedabad, Eklavya School, one of the top schools in India. He opens his school for 1 week every year. You can go spend full 1 week with him. Very strict school. आपने मोहब्बती देखी है, मोहब्बतें, right? वो अमिताभ बच्चन वाली school. You will feel like you're in मोहब्बतें school. Literally. अनुशासन, परंपरा और तीसरा मैं भूल गया. Right? The school is based on that. But it's a tough school, but Professor Sunil Handa is amazing. And what I learned from him is open up your schools to your children. Let them learn something new. And this is what I'm asking you to do. I'm asking you to make your examinations very, very simple. Very easy examination. If you want to have a multiple choice 50 marks paper, ask me and I'll say, go for it. I was seeing your class today. It was a backup class, Anubha ma'am, and I was enjoying the way she was asking 7 into 3 and 2 into 5, and the students were helping each other. And I was happy with it because somebody is learning the multiplication table. Nargis ma'am is among the first teachers to give the paper. Very proud of you, ma'am. Great work. I'll give you better logos. I'll make you fonts better. Great paper. Allow them to score well. Very rarely you'll find some head of institution saying that. I am asking you, I'm telling you, make the halo effect. Right? So that's my first part. I know Shruti ma'am may not like it, sir. They are going for 9th and 10th. Shruti ma'am, allow them to, and for the Tagore is in the hybrid class, the only class we expect them to come for a physical class, Shruti ma'am, but it's okay. You already have the halo effect. Your students, I don't know why they like you so much, despite, Shruti ma'am's class is very strict, very disciplined, but I think the students really love your class, Shruti ma'am. Give them one of the easiest papers they've ever seen. Right? Yeah, Shabana ma'am, she's feeling jealous, Shruti ma'am. She says they love her, right? Despite her.
Actually, the kids miss her a lot. The right usually miss Shruti ma'am actually.
I absolutely agree. The rights, I can hear the Aishas and the Juwairi and Hamdan. They kind of miss you, Shruti ma'am. So my suggestion is, so I'll give you a small description of the paper should look like. You have a 50 marks paper, correct? Now, I know 50 marks looks like a long paper, but how about having 30 marks as objective type questions? You can have a 2 mark or a 3 mark objective type question. So it could be fill in the blanks, multiple choice, or match the following. I don't usually recommend match the following. It's very complicated. But if I have 3 marks, that is 3 into 10, only 10 questions. I think some of them will attempt it very fast. I see, I was speaking to Himanshu sir, IIT Delhi में उनके साथ मैं काम करता हूँ, और अभी वो वही कह रहे थे कि सर ये लगता है कोविड और 6 महीना चलेगा, and I don't know. It's tough. It's tough on the students now. It's tough on us as individuals that I really want physical classes, but most of us believe, can we make e-learning very good? So my format of the class will be, you can have a 30 mark objective type questions. I'll just quickly, and I'll share this. Faisal sir usually shares this. 30 mark can be divided into 3 into 10, or 3 star 10 or 2 star 10. So aapke 30 marks are covered. Make it very easy. Some of you can make a picture examination, something they find from a picture, and the rest of 20 mark can be theory. We can have 4 questions of 4 mark each, or 5 questions of 4 mark. If you all watch IPL 2020, you understand what I'm talking about. Bowlers either get 4 bowlers who bowl 4 overs each. This is a format I want universally to be followed in our examination. Any suggestions, any questions, do ask me, do interrupt. Mostly I would not dwell too much on the papers. I expect the teachers to know the papers, know the students, but that is what I'm expecting to do. In the subsequent classes, we'll have 2 or 3 classes more until 31st of March. What we want to do is we want them to prepare for the hub schooling. The students have learned, and it's just 100 days there. In hub schooling, the children, I promise, we had a small parents meeting. You can give them some questions. Allow them to, let's say Zulekha ma'am, you're taking science for Violet, give them 5 questions, and out of the 5 you can ask 3, or give them 7 questions, not even 10, 7. What I want them to do is they should be confident that learning and examination are not difficult. You have a lot of time to work with the kids. I had a father last week who came and asked about board examination, और उनका बच्चा grade 1 में आ रहा है. And trust me, I told, sir, 10 साल बाद आपका बच्चा बोर्ड दिखने वाला है. Forget NIOS, forget Cambridge. 10 साल बाद the world will change. Did you realize last year in COVID, did you even realize the schools will change? So especially for Violets and for Curies and for Newtons, don't push them too hard. Make an examination, make it an open book. Shruti ma'am, Shabana ma'am, we started with an open book examination in my first essay. You can end with that. I know some of the students are really brilliant. I know Muazzam, I know Farhana, they're doing some amazing work in science and maths. But for others who are still catching up, for the Ahmeds and for the Saklains, maybe open book will be wonderful. You can allow that. I allow the choice to you. So these are my suggestions. What we'll quickly do is we'll quickly get to the dates. When do you want to have the examination? Again, my suggestion is let's finish it in 1 week's time. So from Monday, that is on 1st of April till 5th of April, if you can squeeze all your examination. You can do 1 or 2 examinations and you can decide that internally. I think Alfia ma'am's not here. Probably she missed out the message, but we can quickly do for the hub. Christina ma'am and the rest of the team can do for the hybrid. You decide when do you want to do.
First is a Thursday.
So okay. 5th is Monday.
So what I suggest, Christina ma'am, is why don't we even start on Thursday? Friday is an off for the yellows and the Tagores. You can take a Thursday and Friday for the younger ones. So ideally, we'll close as soon as possible. Also, I realized that the teachers had challenged to submit the report cards and check the paper, right? I know. So because this is primarily for the hub teachers, your paper checking is considered a class in itself. So please do not worry. While we're ending the sessions, like how many sessions you take, we'll have some of you on a permanent payroll in the hub classes. But when you're checking a paper, it's a part of your class. So spend that 1 hour on checking the paper. Give yourself some time. Hopefully, the sooner you can check the paper and submit it, the better it will be. Again, I will open up an Excel sheet for all of you to send the paper. And some of you, I expect you to send me some comments on the children. I don't know the children. But in this final year, I expect parents should know. I don't know some of the names of the children in violet or blue, but you know them. Anubhuti ma'am, you know the classes. Malika ma'am, by the way, Malika ma'am, please take care of health. She's fallen down again with her health. But you know your children very well. Fatima ma'am, you know the children very well. Some of you, Shazia ma'am, you know how has Muhammad Ali evolved, or how has Ammara evolved, or all the other kids who have come in. Please send me 1-line comment on what you think about the kids. I can divide that easily. So for Violet, I expect Zulekha ma'am and Nargis ma'am to give me the comments. Right? You can give your comments according to the classes. You don't have to give for all the classes. For blue, I can expect Fatima ma'am and Malika ma'am to help me with the blue. Oh, sorry, Fatima ma'am and Anubhuti ma'am. If she's not them, Krishna ma'am, just make a note of that. Right? So for blue, you others can also chip in. For the yellows, I expect Monica ma'am, who's not there, and Malika ma'am to give me for the yellows. And rest of you can add in Anubha ma'am, whatever class you're taking, add your suggestion for the classes. Same way you divide it for the Curies, the Newtons, till the Tagores. So your comment will be very important. Don't wait for the examination for the comment. That's important, right? Don't wait how they fared in the examination for your comment. Look at a child name. Even when you take a next class, you can see, oh, these are the children. Quickly write down one line comment. The children, Ammara has progressed very well. From a shy girl, she's become very confident. You can talk about it. Umar was very impressive. He's expressive now. Your small comments will make a big difference to prepare a small report card. So this is all that I usually had to share in terms of your examination, your summary, and any suggestion, any question, please ask me. Yeah, Faisal sir.
If we have a lot of objectives, let's say 30 marks objectives.
Faisal, can you be louder, please? I can't hear you.
Yeah, I was saying that if we have 30 marks for objective type questions, multiple choice questions, so can we create forms for that? That would make checking the answers faster. So
there are 2 ways you can do it, Faisal. I don't want to create Google Forms because again, that's a little additional burden for the teachers. In the month of May, we have some sessions for your technical skills. That is what we'll plan later. But what I suggest, Faisal, is one other thing you can do. See, trust is very important. I know if a child can tell few extra marks, it's okay. You're not giving marks from your pocket. I always tell that. For your 30 marks, you can do it in-house, in class, cross checking. Okay, you have written your 30 marks. I'm going to tell the answers. Tell me honestly how much you've scored. Possible. It's okay. It's okay if a child says, ma'am, I've got 25 or 30, when you know the child would not get more than 20. It's fine. It's fine. So आप लोग का काम कम हो जाता है. You only have to check for the rest of 20 marks. If you want, you can do that. Instead of going to the examination part of it, where you have to check it, you can allow students to give you the scores of how much they scored into it. Only thing, all of you will have to put the paper on Google Classroom. Let's not make it into WhatsApp groups. Let's try to go to Google Classroom. That's one help we'll require. Aparna ma'am and Komal ma'am, I think your arts classes are wonderful. I don't always expect arts examination per se, but do you think you want to have an examination for arts also? I think I leave it to you. I always have this dilemma. How can you, subjectify? What do you think, Komal ma'am?
या सर जो अभी तक करवाया है, जो कलर मर्जिंग है, तो ऐसे कुछ भी मतलब ऑन दी स्पॉट दे तो वो लोग बच्चे कर लेंगे, बिकॉज दे आर वेरी गुड इन आर्ट्स.
फिर ठीक है मैम, अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है, मुझे भी लगता है कि आर्ट्स इज अ वेरी रिक्रिएशनल सब्जेक्ट. व्हाट यू डू मैम इज, व्हाई डोंट यू इन्फॉर्म देम व्हाट टू डू? अपर्णा मैम, आई थिंक दिस इज द सेम थिंग, you are the most senior one, you decide what you do. But Komal ma'am, you can give them some tools और उनको बता दीजिए क्या करना है, so they bring that. Aparna ma'am, your suggestion on that?
So I think at least the younger ones are enjoying the art a lot, and they look forward to even the exams. And the theory part, as we are doing for the others, we can continue with that, and a little bit of artwork also.
Okay. No, Aparna ma'am, correction. Even the older ones are enjoying your arts. They really are enjoying. So you can take it forward. Yes, absolutely. Anything else from anyone else? Christina ma'am, you want to add something to? Usually Christina ma'am has a lot of things to say. She's quiet today. I'm happy.
No, sir, it's okay. It's fine. So what I have had a suggestion is, like, instead of telling two teachers from each group, like from Violet, why not all the teachers who are taking that each subject? The parents will be happier, right, if they give.
Okay. I think that's a good idea. I was thinking of collecting it, but I think that'll be wonderful. We can request the teachers to add on to it. And all the teachers in Hub, please do not think that April, because you're taking less classes, I will add these as your sessions. We have worked it out so that you don't have to worry about per se. While we may not have too many classes, but whatever extra tasks you're doing is a part of your extra sessions. All of you have been absolutely brilliant. Your passion, your dedication, the kind of efforts you put in. We will have probably whenever we can not an online, offline get together at some good point of time. But that's something I don't want to push you to have Tuesday meetings every week. Probably next week we will be in the exam mode. So make your exams the Hello Effect exam. Make it very simple, very fun. Put a lot of pictures into it. Allow them to show their creativity. Make them love the exam is what my suggestion is. I accept Christina ma'am's suggestion. All the teachers can give the comments on the students. We can collate it, and my report card becomes very good that way. Faisal sir, you will be doing the ICT examinations for everybody except Tagore. Same way, open up your examinations, make it simpler for them. If you want to skip an ICT exam, I'm okay with that also. It's your suggestion. I'll leave that to you. Shabana ma'am, any inputs for your lit circle and your business studies?
For business studies, I was thinking 50 marks. I would be doing 30 theory and 20 hands-on. That would be kind of practical. So maybe, yeah, I could then do that. And lit circle, it's out and out drama for them. So the Tagores are going to perform. Yeah, I know. Imagine all of them acting. So it's a total out and out drama. And the stage would be maybe Jewel of Navi Mumbai, that open space out there. I might just talk to Grand Central people. And if they allow me, then maybe out there. That would be the stage for them. So it's like a group assessment. Either all of them get a 0 or all of them get a 50. That's it. No in between.
That's a very bold thing to go to malls now. I believe they're doing COVID test in malls also, but that's Shabana ma'am for you, right? Expect a Gujarati to take you where no one has taken you for. So there you are. Right. So there we are. Komal ma'am, you're from Ahmedabad, aren't you?
Baroda.
Baroda. Tame amara rishdar cho. Right. Yeah, Shabana ma'am, you got a family here. Good. Okay. On last note, the last thing I want to end up with is this. This is something I've been suggesting to do. I haven't shared to everybody. I've just shared to limited team. We are trying to do an annual day. Now you can encourage your children. We will have one day where the parents can just be spectators. Right now, just don't worry about the date and all. I think Shabana ma'am and I will end up with the right dates. We might do it after the end of the exam. But the goal is the children, the students can come up and do what we call is, have you seen that, in what is it, Indian Idol or America Got Talent? They have to just show some talent. Today, I saw some of the kids, they were brilliant as newsmakers in Curie Group or Newton. Allow a children to do anything. They can ask a riddle, they can tell a joke like a stand-up comedian ban sakte hain. They can be a news anchor, which is funny. They can mimic the teachers, which I love to do, and I'll be wonderful. They can show their painting. They can speak a little serious about SDG. They can be a chef. They can show what they cooked. Anything they can do. A student who performs this way will promise get a physical gift from us. I mean, the gift was a challenge. I thought I'll offer them a Baskin Robbins scoop or a pizza. They can do that, or else we'll courier something to them. But we will do something for them. Just encourage your children to, apply and become a 1 minute to, as it is called, a minute to win it. Is it a good idea? Can we do that, teachers, team? Okay, I'll close it. So this is like a last parenting meet where parents are spectators and your children are performing. Okay, I can see a lot of thumbs up from all of you. Fantastic. All you have to do is convey that in your class as a teacher, whatever they want to do. We had students become scientists. Why can't they become Shakuntala Devi? Why can't they become someone else? They can enact, mimic, riddle, quiz, joke, anything they can do. Allow them. We'll have 2 different programs for the hub and the hybrid, and the parents can just see the performance. Encourage your children in the respective classes, allow them and ask them to submit their names. The carrot is they will get a gift from us. No more certificates se bore ho gaye bache. We'll give a physical gift to them for sure. So I will discuss these on the group also. Hopefully this is recorded. Those who did not attend, I'll upload it for you. Anything else, ask me in the group. All the best to you now for the examination. To make sure you don't have horns, you have halo effect on you.
So, thank you so much.
Right there. Thank you, everybody, and bye-bye.
Just one more thing. Sorry, Daud, one more thing.
Yes.
Can we have, when you're having this parent final meet, so maybe, we could have a walk-in through online art gallery. So whatever art the students have done, you could have that, walk-in through maybe.
Brilliant. We can do that. And I think if we can make a small presentation of all the arts and we can run through it, it will be excellent. It is absolutely doable. Let's work on it. So it's time to collect all the arts, Komal ma'am, Aparna ma'am, and we'll make a presentation. So we'll run through it. Not just, we can do a lot more of it, but it'll be wonderful. We'll do a small memory trip as well, but this would be wonderful. Great idea, Shabana ma'am. Okay then.
That's awesome.
Brilliant. All right, there you are. Thank you, everybody, and bye-bye, and all the best again for your examination.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.